Good morning guys. Good morning kabaloy. Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat, no? Santo siya kabosan at si kayo naman. Sasrika. Ngayon, may plano kami. Sabi nila pupunta kami ng Center Island. So, hindi ko alam kung paano sistema. Ngayon, prepare na kami. So, yun nga po. First time. It's my first time to ride on a ferry. And then, another thing is, first time ko rin, it's my first time to, again, for a couple of years, ride on a train and ride on a bus. So, let's try because nung kasagsagan ng pagpunta ko pa lang dito mga 3 weeks nung pagkadating ko pa lang nagbabas pa ako habang hindi pa nakakuha ng lisensya, pero matagal na to guys So ito masaya kasama ni Paul si niya, yung kapatid niya si Sayon. Yeah. So Paul, where are you going right now today?
Today
We're going to
a fair.
a ferry on Center Island, right? Together with? Yeah. Aling Sayon. So guys, prepare muna kami, no? Kita-kits tayo. Maganda. You guys, prepare na kami, no? Yeah, si Paul naka-prepare na rin. So, magbabas kami, tapos magti-train. Tapos ferry. Hindi ko alam, pero kasi medyo makulimlim yung panahon so, ganun na lang guys, no? Kita-kits tayo sa daan. So yun guys, magbabas kami. Ito na. Tawid-tawid ng bus, guys. Ito yung mag-ina ko. Magbabas daw kami, guys. Woo! And guys, no? Ngayon, magpapas naman kami guys. Ay, magti-train. So, bili muna kami ng ticket na. Hindi ko alam kung saan. So, let's see guys. No? Excited to Parang first time ko Ngayon yung makina ko guys Ayun, si Kulot. Magti-train. Train daw kami. So guys, kita kasi tayo sa loob ng train na. Ito na. Hi guys! Dito kami na. We're here na
Subway.
Subway.
Even the subway.
Yeah, okay. So, let's eat. Let's see, man. Okay guys. Dito na tayo sa Union Station. Yeah. So, hindi natin si Sayon sa taas. Okay.
Oh, that's practice here, Mom.
Ayan, maganda ako guys. Kita na si Ali sa niya. Eto na. Dito ba? O dito sa kabila? Ayan guys, yung dalawang lalakad. Walang na magkasama. Parang walang dati. So, let's go guys. Siyempre. Ayan guys, kita na kami. Ito na. Hindi pa lang kung saan parang kita-kits tayo mamaya. Okay. Lalakad na sila eh. Ito na guys. Oh. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung napunta. So, let's see. So guys, ito na yung mga peri na tayo. Peri na tayo guys. Dami tao guys. Sama ko na yung mga kwan, mga kulot. Ayun oh. So guys, let's see kung ano magiging ko natin. Set up na. Daming tao guys, dami. So far, yung mga nakaka-relate. See you guys. So guys, maalis na kami no. Wow, ito guys. Ito yung dalawa. Ito yung dalawang puting. Oh. Hi guys.
Hey, I'm saying look.
Sawang-sawa sila. Guys, daming tao. Daming tao guys. Oh. Yun guys. Yun, susunod. Venue namin yun. Oh, may aeroplano tayo guys. Pababa na tayo. Tapos na. So hanggang sa pagbalik mamaya ulit. Tingnan natin. Yun guys, pababa na tayo. Exit na tayo, no? Yung guys, no? Yung mga tao, may mga pa doon. Let's see. Yep. Tingin tayo ng ruta guys. Tingin tayo ng ruta. Oh. Oo nga, no? Oh. Guys. Yan yung sinakyan namin. Okay, so yung mga bubit. So guys, yung dalawang bubit namin, no, ito. May dala-dalang mapa. Kala mo kung marunong magbasa ng mapa, ano? Ang dami pang nalalaman, may Jurassic Park. Tingnan na lang natin, guys. Balik talaga yung camera. Yun. Yung dalawang ano, dalawang buraot.
I'm lost. Can you find my mom and my dad? What's the name of your mom? And your dad?
Simon.
And what about you, Mr. Paul? What's the name of your dad?
Oh yeah, it doesn't know?
My dad is named John
And your
my
mom?
mom named Ramirez.
Oh,
Or Lerma.
Lerma, very good, awesome.
Hey guys. Hi guys, say hi. Hi to Lola Aida.
Hi. Loco.
Tita. So these two guys are planning to ride
Yeah.
on Bumblebee. Yeah. Excited yung dalawa. So guys, nandito kami sa ano Center Island. No, come on. Mommy gonna buy a ticket first. Yeah. Excited na. Basta kayo na, wala pang ticket. Okay. Stay right there. Tingnan ko pag tumaas yan. Tumaas na ba? Hindi pa. Ano? Yan na. Tunto oh. Tunto yung dalawa oh. Close twins tala. Yun guys, ang dalawa. Feel na.
nila maano. Hindi nila makita.
Grabe sigaw. Grabe sigaw na yun sa akin.
Antayin mo.
Your ride is almost over. Please remain seated as the ride is slowing down and wait for the carousel to come to a full and complete stop. Thank you for riding the empty carousel. When the ride comes to a full and complete stop, please walk around to the exit gates and enjoy the
Nope. Yes. They're on this there. They're on that there. Baby.
Hey, hey! daw. Because
Adding Zion! I like this ride! Bye, guys!
guys, so we're done. So hindi pa tapos, marami pa. Kasi whole day yung ticket namin. Kaya dito sa loob ng area na to, libre ka sumakay kahit paulit-ulit ka. So ngayon, ang ruta namin, kain muna. Nagutom na kami kasi almusal lang yung kinain namin, no? So tingin ng makakain to mga to. So sa Swan kami, tapos doon sa cable car. Yan.
Relax.
Ito na yung dalawa.
Please. Okay, what do you want?
Dalawa.
I need pizza.
You want pizza too, Ryan? Just
Okay.
cheese pizza?
Yung mga dalawang kulit. Guys, nandito kami sa cable car.
No,
Oh,
Sky
yeah.
Ride. We're in
Yeah,
Sky
this is
Ride.
ating Zion over there.
We're in Sky Ride.
Oh, yeah. So here, this is Polly. When there's car ride, guys. This is Polly.
Wow!
Oh yeah.
Water.
Yeah, guys.
Zion.
Wow.
Look.
Say hi.
Hi. Mind your back.
Cable kami, guys. Careful, okay?
Okay, I don't need to.
So guys, Wow.
Dad, can we go over there?
Yeah, later. Oh, see the water over there. We can go.
Huh?
Oh, see that way? Whoa, I want to go on that side.
Me too.
Oh,
That
wow.
one.
Yeah, we can ride. Wow.
Zion.
Oh, wow, I
Mine
like it.
coaster. I want to go to mine coaster.
Oh, yeah? Oh, there's a goat over there too. Oh, yeah. So, guys, ang ganda, guys, huh? Wow.
Zion.
Hmm.
Mind your back.
Yeah.
You know that means back. Mind your back.
Something like that. Wow. I have to hold you.
Why? I'm holding this. What do you mean?
You see? Even do. You're gonna open.
It's gonna slip.
Oh, guys, so nice.
There's a lot of people that want to.
Oh, they have also an animal over there.
Huh?
See? There's a goat over there.
Don't.
Yeah, chicken.
I'm saying, look, the farm.
Oh, wow. So nice. Oh, God.
Wow.
Yeah, parang Manila so guys, no? Kaya maganda siya, guys.
Good.
Wow. Sulit.
I'll be stuck
Maganda, guys.
in the
Layo na
tree.
namin, guys, oh.
We're gonna
Wow.
be stuck in the tree.
Layo na. Wow. Hey, say hi.
Hi.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
You wanna go ride with us?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay, we're gonna turn around over there. We turn around already.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, guys, baliktad natin yung camera natin. So, guys, yan po.
Island.
Nasa...
Oh, I think I see Duff's mom or something. That looks like Duff's mom.
Wait tayo, guys, no? Yun, guys, no? Ang ganda. Yun nga lang, yun, tubig na kami, guys. Nakakatakot. So, i-off ko muna tong cellphone namin, guys, kasi baka mahulog. Yeah, we're gonna off our cell phone, guys. Ew. Yun, guys, yung dalawang makulit. Ayun. Ayun, guys, oh. Ayan na. Kala mo, oo. Tingnan. Dalawa lang ata silang pasahero sa pinang-arkilada ata to. Dalawa sila. Ayun, tapos. Doon na, tapos na.
Well, he's looking pretty proud of herself there.
So guys, sakay kami ng boat. Ay, ng swan. Yeah. Ito na yung dalawa. Say hi. Yun sila Pot, sila Mrs.
We're actually riding car. I'm actually wearing yellow.
So guys, driving kami, no? Guys, panggala kami. Yung driver ko, wala sa hulog. Okay lang yan. Kaya nga mayroon yan eh. Ay, say hi guys. Yun, balitan natin yung video. Yun, guys, oh. Sila Mox, ayun sila Mox, oh. Yan, oh. Yun, alright. Ang lupit. Go ahead, go there, Paul. Go there on the other side. You gonna bump it anymore? Alright. We're gonna go to Ating Sayo. We're gonna go with them. Guys, sila Mox, sila oh. Guys, oh. Okay, number 3.
That's a good log drop there.
guys, no? Medyo hindi pa kami tapos. So, ayun si Polo. Sasakay ng daw ng car. Ayun siya. Ano natin siya? Nasakay siya ng ganyan guys. Tapos ka na sumakay, may experience na.
Mahirap na hirap ako sa pangkat.
Manobela?
Hindi yung pangano, yung ginagano.
Ah, oo. Yung chan mo na.
Iipit yung tiyan ko. Hindi na ako pwede dito talaga.
Ayun, yung dalawa. Nagay, wala na tumana. So guys, dyan nagtatapos ang adventure namin dito sa Center Island. So, tapos na kami. Medyo mahaba pa, kailangan nang umuwi kasi baka maiwanan kami ng ferry. So ito, yung bagay na enjoy yung mga bata, and then at least makaranas din. Yeah. So far, para sa susunod alam mo lang i-adjust yung sarili mo kung ano yung mga dapat dalhin. Then isa pa, parami na yung tao guys, oh. Parami na, oh guys, oh. Oh. Kita nyo sa likod ko guys, parami na. So although kan nga okay na yung COVID, kaso nga lang mabuti na rin kung minsan yung sigurado. Okay, so guys, kita-kits tayo pag uwi. Okay. Okay, thank you. So yun guys, pasakay na kami ng ferry. May tama to. Karating na ng ferry. Sakto to, dami na rin tao guys, oh. Puno na rin. So maaga na rin kami umuwi kasi baka mamaya lalong marami kasi marami dumating. Yeah. So guys, kita-kits na lang tayo mamaya sa loob ng ferry. So yun guys, diyan nagtatapos yung natin Center Island Adventure. Adventure kasi yung dami na pasyalan eh. So ngayon mamaya maghihiwalay-hiwalay na kami. Hiwa-hiwalay na rin yung dalawa, baka mamaya may yakil pa. So guys, no, thank you. Kita-kits tayo sa bahay. Hanggang sa muli. See you next week. Okay? Yeah. Bye.
Next week, after school, do you know how many days of school?
Wow. Yeah.
4 days.
So guys, hiwa-hiwalay na kami, no? Nakuha sila guys eh. Train sila pero sa ibang ano, sa Pickering. So kami, sayang lang dito sa may ano, downtown. So, masakit ang loob ng dalawa. Nagkaiyakan pa. So, sabi naman namin na next week, makikita pa rin sila. So, makikita kami kasi si Paul, ano eh, yung school niya, medyo patapos na rin. At mag-grade 1 na siya. So guys, kita-kits tayo sa loob ng train. Hello, good evening guys. So time check tayo, alas 10. Tulog na si Kulot, no? So, ganun nga po. Nagpapasalamat po kami dun sa mga nakisama doon sa journey natin papuntang Center Island. So, hanggang dun. So guys, thank you ulit. Hanggang dito na lang po. Maraming salamat. Good night.